Oh my god. That's a new problem we have unlocked today. Let's see how much time we take to clear out this mess. The presentation of my Maggie is not that great. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a very special vlog indeed, because today's vlog is all about shifting our apartment. So basically we used to live with our mom and dad, and now we have decided that it's been a year and we have to live alone, like me and Christy, because we have to learn to take responsibilities and all of that. So we have shifted to another apartment. It's a 2 BHK apartment, very nice and cozy, and this is the apartment which I am currently shifted to. So welcome to home first of all. So I'll give you a backstory what all happened. Basically what happened is, before coming to this apartment we fixed another house. It was like a 2 BHK flat, and that was the one which I liked very much. It was semi furnished, so मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगा था. The vibe of that home was really very nice. I don't know if I still have the clips of all of that, but if I have, then I will make a point to attach it in the video at some point. But if not, then just let's get over with that. So the thing is that we like that apartment, but we are renting the home. So the owner told us that he could not give us at that point because he had to do some maintenance work, which he didn't mention earlier. So basically I have imagined myself living in that apartment, but at the end we have to let it go because the owner was not ready to give it. Then with a very heavy heart, with lots of disappointment and sadness, we moved on and we searched for some new space. So then we found this home which is like fully furnished, and this has like big balconies as well. So I kind of like this space more, and I think because it is fully furnished, then we don't had to do a lot of work when we were shifting here. Everything was quite there at the place. So I think whatever happens for a reason, and it happens for your benefit only. So patience is the key, I think. Yeah, that's all. And this video is a very haphazard video. It has no certain manner or rhythm as such. You are just going to see me vlogging here and there. Jidhar bhi mujhe time mil raha hai, I am vlogging, because I was alone, like me and Christy was alone, just shifting house and just arranging, cleaning and all of that. So I didn't got a lot of time to vlog, but whatever I have managed to vlog, I have put it in this video. So I hope you enjoy watching it. Please don't come at me if there is if you don't understand certain things, then please just leave, just watch it for fun. And if you're new to my channel, then welcome and subscribe to my channel please. And you can share my video with your friends, with your families, who you would think will benefit from my videos. And that being said, let's just get started with the video. So आज हम जा रहे हैं टू शॉप फॉर सम होम आइटम्स, लाइक बेसिक जो चीज़ें लगती है घर के लिए, जैसे स्पाइसेस, कुशन्स, पिलो कवर्स, पिलोज, ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो कुछ चीज़ें हमने ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर कर दी है, जैसे कि कुकिंग सेट एंड कटलरीज, जो हमें थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा था. एंड ऑन फ्लिपकार्ट वी गॉट इट ऑन अ गुड सेल. सो या, तो वो सब तो हो गया है. सो अभी हमें जाना है एंड वी हैव टू सेट अप आर गैस कनेक्शन, वाईफाई कनेक्शन, ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो आज का दिन हम पूरा उसके लिए डेडिकेट कर रहे हैं. करंटली आई एम इन द कार एंड इट्स सो हॉट इन केरला. ओ माई गॉड. टुडे इज थर्सडे और आज मेरा फास्ट है. सो आई डोंट नो, मैंने कुछ खाया तो नहीं है, बट मुझे बहुत भूख लगने वाली है, आई एम श्योर, बिकॉज आज बहुत सारा चीज़ें हमको करना है, घूमना है, थोड़ा हेक्टिक होने वाला है. एंड गर्मी तो अनदर लेवल की है. So yeah, that's it. I'll take you along with me for today, what all things we are doing. Mostly this weekend we will start with our shifting. We will start to shift little bit stuff in our new apartment. Dekhte how it goes. First let us go and shop for some home items. Okay guys, so I took these plants, rose, marigold and one more. I don't know the name of that one, but the plant was looking quite pretty, so I took it. I don't know. Guys, we made a very long bill. मतलब हमको पता लग रहा है कि घर खर्चा is not easy. Look at the stuff and it's just 50 to 60% of what we need. Oh my god. This is the situation of our car. See the stuff which we have loaded. Oh my god. Actually, I'm fasting, so that's why I'm tired and I'm hungry. Okay, guys, I'm so tired. But अभी हमको और थोड़ा चीज़ें लेने के लिए जाना है. But first, let me apply my lipstick. Guys, we are going back again in the mall because हमें और थोड़ी चीज़ें लेनी है, as I told you. And उसके बाद मुझे तो बहुत भूख लग रही है and it's almost time to open my fast. I mean, after sunset मैं fast खोल सकती हूँ. So I am planning to do a small num num, but let's see. Let me go up, let me see what all things we get. Hi guys, so I am at my new place, new home, rental home. So today we came to put our clothes in the wardrobe and to set the kitchen and the gas situation, and we also wanted to do a little bit of fridge cleanup and all of that. So when I came here I was quite happy that okay, आज मेरा kitchen में cylinder लग जाएगा and all of that. But let me show you. So the problem is that this is my kitchen, by the way. So this cylinder is of a very big height, and they have constructed this cabinets little smaller than the cylinder. So the cylinder is not going in, and now we have to keep it out only. So I don't know, I'm not liking the situation here because itna beautiful kitchen mein you can see कि the cylinder is in the middle of the kitchen. So when I'm cooking and everything, I can't just move here and there, and I can't disturb the cylinder का जो pipe है, कुछ malfunction हो गया तो that will be an issue. So that's a new problem we have unlocked today. But okay, we'll see, कुछ ना कुछ उसका अपन करेंगे. For now it is like that only. These are my 3 plants. Okay, so I am in middle of setting up my room and my wardrobe, and you know what, it has started raining in the month of February. I mean, I don't know what to say about this, but it is raining, and Christy has went downstairs to get something for us to eat because I'm very hungry with all this shifting and everything. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी भूख लग रही है. See, so the rain is not that heavy, but yeah, it's still raining. The leaves are all wet. So this is the view from my balcony. If you come this side, you can also see a little bit of sunset. Let me just show you the room situation. Wait. Okay, so this is the bed situation. अभी बहुत सारा पूरे घर में we have a lot of stuff here and there. This is what I have come up with so far. I think so far so good. On the other hand, if you see the hall, the living area, this is also a mess. We have to figure this out. पता नहीं उसको कितना time लगेगा, but yeah, this all we have to do today at any cost because tomorrow is a housewarming for us. We have bought this welcome mat. So yeah, that's it. Let's see how much time we take to clear out this mess. Okay guys, it is raining very heavily. Oh my god. Hi guys, so today is Sunday. Yesterday we were doing all the cleaning and setting up the wardrobe and all of that. So today we have a small housewarming at our place. So our close family members will be coming, and the father will be coming and blessing the home, and then we'll do a small graha pravesh also. उसके बाद मैं गणपति जी को स्थापना करूँगी and all of that. So it is going to be a day full of rituals, and I'm getting ready now. I'm wearing this beautiful dress. So now I'm waiting for all the family members to come. I'll show you how my dress looks like. Wait. Okay, so this is what my dress is looking like. It's like a mastani pattern, Hi guys, good morning. I just woke up. It is almost 7:30, 7:40 something, I don't know. But it is the first morning in this new home, and I slept so peacefully yesterday. I just dozed off as soon as I went to the bed because I think I was so tired. 2 3 days we were just shifting and all of that, setting up the new place. First things first, I will go and have my ghee coffee, and uske baad Christy will come home now. Then we'll have breakfast. Now that we are living alone, I think we are just going to cook healthy meals, and I'm going to start a series of cooking healthy meals, and I'm going to try to upload shorts every single day or maybe alternate days, I don't know. I think let's go and start the day. Hi guys, so it is the afternoon, and after my breakfast, Christy went back to the hospital. He took my father-in-law. So I am alone today for lunch. So I was thinking that I'll make something very easy and comforting food because I'm kind of PMSing. So I want to eat something I like. So for that, I have Maggie. So basically it's always like one Maggie is not enough. So मैं क्या करती हूँ कि 1.5, like I have 1.5 Maggie with only one masala. So I think that would be enough for me. Maggie is ready, and this is how it's looking. It's a perfect blend of creamy and tikky Maggie. This is how I like my Maggie. For garnishing, I'm adding these coriander, and I'm also going to add a little bit of olives, green olives, जिसको मैंने यहाँ पे ऐसे कट करके रखा है, just a little bit, and that's it. I am also going to top it off with a little bit of cheese. जो मुझे पहले करना चाहिए था, I forgot, but never mind. I'm just going to do it now. The presentation of my Maggie is not that great, but I hope it tastes good. So for now, I'm just going to enjoy my lunch, and I'll see you later. Bye. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is 3rd of March and today is Holi. So yeah, it's been a very long time since I had vlogged. So as you can see, I'm wearing a sari, a very beautiful sari. This is my mom's sari, by the way. So today is Holi, and me and Christine, we had little Holi celebration in the morning. We applied some colors and all of that. As you can see, there are still some colors left. So yeah, it's been a week of us staying over here, and it's a very nice place. I am enjoying here. Also, I'm shooting some good content. I'm doing cooking shorts and all of that, so you can check my YouTube shorts for that. If you are new to my channel, then please take a moment and subscribe, share my channel with your friends and families, and ask them to subscribe as well if you enjoy watching my videos. So yeah, as I mentioned in the start of this vlog, there is no such rhythm or any clearance in this vlog as to what is happening, what we are doing. It's just a feel good vlog. Just watch it and just like my video if you are enjoying it. So I think that being said, I'm just going to end today's vlog. I will make sure to attach some of our clips from the morning celebration which me and Christy had in our balcony, like a very small color lagao celebration we had, and apart from that, nothing else. I'll attach some photos as well of my sari. So that is it. I will see you in the next vlog. Until then, take care and bye bye.